Boost your grammar skills. Can you score 5 by 5? Are you ready for this new quiz? Total questions. 5. You have 20 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time.
He has already blank his lunch. He has already eaten his lunch.
He's waiting blank the bus stop.
He's waiting at the bus stop. While I blank a letter, my little sister suddenly came in. While I was writing a letter, my little sister suddenly came in. By the time he came, we blank slept. By the time he came, we had slept.
The book is blank the shelf. The book is on the shelf.